Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you one of the most exciting new features in Seafile 13, the integration of Excalidraw, a super popular open source virtual whiteboard. What does this mean? Whether you're brainstorming ideas, sketching system architectures, or just illustrating a concept for your team, you can now do it all seamlessly inside Seafile. Let's dive in. How do you get started? It's simple. Just create a new Excalidraw file and start drawing. Let your ideas flow. And here's an even more powerful option. Insert Excalidraw directly into your SeaDoc. This is perfect when you want to add flowcharts, diagrams, or any visual to make your documents richer and easier to understand. Let's take an onboarding guide as an example. After writing out your text, just click Insert and select Whiteboard. From there, you can either create a brand new Excalidraw diagram or link to an existing one. On the blank canvas, you can use rectangles, arrows, and connectors to map out each stage of the onboarding journey. You can adjust the hand-drawn style by changing the stroke style, font, and sloppiness. If you're familiar with Mermaid, you can also use that for flowcharts. Excalidraw gives you full design freedom. If you need to add some visual flair, you can easily pull in icons from the Excalidraw library. And here's the best part. Once you're done, you don't need to export an image and paste it into your document. In Seafile, it's all connected. Your Excalidraw whiteboard updates in real time and is saved directly in your SeaDoc. So if your process changes later, no need to replace images, just edit the original. Another highlight of Excalidraw is real-time collaboration. Multiple team members can work on the same whiteboard simultaneously, seeing each other's changes live. But what if you don't want others to edit your work? You can lock the file. Plus, you'll never have to worry about version chaos. Excalidraw is fully integrated with Seafile's powerful version control. You can view every revision and even roll back to a previous version if you need to. So that's a quick tour of Excalidraw inside Seafile 13. It's more than just another tool. It makes visual collaboration a natural, seamless part of your workflow. With Excalidraw in Seafile, you can sketch together, document together, and keep all your ideas in one place. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.